Hey, fourth grade, this week we are measuring different units in the metric system. We're going to be measuring mass, capacity, and length, and for your first day, let's jump into mass. Mass is how heavy something is, and we use two units to measure that. We either use grams, that we measure with the letter G, and kilograms, which we mark with a lowercase letter K for kilo and G for grams. Kilo is our hint prefix here. Kilo means 1,000. So there are 1,000 grams in every kilogram. To visualize a gram, imagine holding a paper clip in your hand. To visualize a kilogram, imagine 1,000 paper clips in your hand, which eventually would lead to something about the weight of a small pumpkin or maybe a dictionary. Here are the three tasks that you're going to do today to convert these units. On your first slide, you're going to fill in the blank with the equivalent weight. So for example, it says 1 kilogram equals blank grams. I remember that kilo is my hint prefix, and that means 1,000. What I notice is that my thousands place matches the amount of kilograms I have. So again, for example, if I have 12 kilograms, that's going to help me understand my thousands place for how many grams I have. I need more grams because it's a lighter weight. I need more of it to equal the same amount as this larger unit. You're also going to be asked to do the reverse, except in the reverse, you need to be thinking about how you can go from a larger number to a smaller number. Because remember, you need less kilograms than you do grams. You need to ask yourself, how many thousands do I have? Because that will tell you how many kilograms you will need. You might even need to solve a mixed unit. How many kilograms do I have? And how many grams are left over that didn't make it into the next kilogram? Let's take a look at your second task. You'll then have to decide which of these two units are larger, the grams unit or the kilograms unit. To help you solve this, what might be easiest for you is for you to change all of your units to the same thing. So it's easier just to compare the numbers. To do that, you want to change them all to your smallest unit, which is grams, which means you need to go every single kilogram and change those over to grams. To do that, you're going to make the amount of kilograms how many thousands you have. So if I have 5 kilograms, that's like saying I have 5,000 grams, which makes it much easier to compare because 550 versus 5,000, that's our larger unit. Where this can get tricky is when you have numbers that are already in the thousands place, like 7,000 kilograms. If I knew I had to tack on 3 extra zeros to get from 5 to 5,000, what would 7,000 look like if I tacked on 3 extra zeros? So you're going to be changing your units and deciding which one is larger. Your last task is that you're going to order your mass from least to greatest. And again, what might be helpful for you is if you change all of your units to grams so that they're easier to read. You can do that off to the side like this. Okay, 27 grams, that's already in grams, my smallest unit. 2 kilograms, that's the same as 2,000 grams. And now it's really easy for me to see that this unit is larger than this unit. And I can drag them in that order so that this goes less than this. I'm going to place these back because, of course, you can't place them until you figure out what all of your units represent. So you're going to have to change these all to grams before you place them in order. Those are your 3 tasks. Good luck today.